Have you got a silver item which has blackened? Worry not. In this video, I shall share why this phenomena occurs, how to clean it perfectly, and my 3 tips to prevent it. What are we waiting for? Let's jump onto it. Moving on, the main reason this happens is due to the presence of hydrogen sulfide in air. Silver, that is Ag, reacts with H2S to give silver sulfide and hydrogen, which flies away. The silver sulfide leaves the black residue, and hence the blackening occurs. Now, to clean this black area, we will require toothpaste, brush, and a silver item. Apply the toothpaste to the brush and scrub it on the item. Clean it properly and do not leave any gaps. Now, wash it thoroughly. And then dab it with a soft cloth. There you have it, a simple trick to clean any silver item. Lastly, as promised, we have the 3 tips. First, keep it clean. Dry it with a cloth after every use. Second, keep it away from air. Put it in an airtight container. Third, wrap it. For more safety, wrap it with a tissue paper. That's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe. Till then, cheerio.